children's book has generated an impressive sum of over $150,000 in passive income. Today, I will show you how you too can create a similar business, starting from generating the book idea to publication using AI technology. If you're interested in creating passive income, don't miss this video, as I promise valuable information that you won't find anywhere else. The idea came to me while exploring Amazon for ways to generate passive income. I came across this children's book that caught my attention. You might wonder what's so special about it, but let me tell you, the numbers speak for themselves. With over 2,000 reviews and a price of $6.47, the seller earned over $16,000 just with this book. And that's just one example among many. Imagine 2,000 reviews multiplied by $11.90. That's over $23,800. And the most incredible part is that you can publish these books for free with Amazon KDP. So why not seize this opportunity and create your own book using ChatGPT? Join me on this journey to generate passive income that works for you even while you sleep. That's why I've decided to share this information in this video to help as many people as possible. But first, thank you for rewarding our work by subscribing to our channel. As you've surely noticed, the key to creating a captivating children's book lies in a compelling story idea. That's why I decided to use a chatbot to generate titles. The first suggestion, The Black Forest, didn't convince me. We were looking for something more exciting. After a few tries, we settled on The Adventures of Tommy and Timmy in Search of the Lost Treasure, a story that promises to be thrilling. By conversing with the chatbot, I was able to get more details about the plot. The book is aimed at children aged 5 to 8 and follows two young friends on an exciting quest to find a lost treasure hidden in the jungle. This idea really appealed to me, so I decided to further develop it. Next, I set out to create the story plan. The chatbot was a great help in generating chapters with detailed descriptions. We thus established the basis of our story. Chapter 1, The Lost Treasure. Chapter 2, The Wise Parrot. Chapter 3, The Evil Monkey. Chapter 4, The Thieves. Chapter 5, The Hero's Return. Once the plan was set, I started writing the content based on these chapters. I simply copied the first chapter, The Lost Treasure, into the chat and set the instruction to write a rhythmic story. After some adjustments, I got the desired result. I repeated this process for each chapter, allowing me to create a complete story in just a few minutes. It's amazing to see how technology can help us develop ideas and create quality content in such a short time. If you take a moment to think about it, it's simply amazing how quickly we were able to develop the idea for our story, establish the different chapters, and outline the content. But let me tell you that the most exciting part is yet to come. So, if you've enjoyed the content so far, don't forget to support the video by clicking the like button. We all know that even with the best story idea, it can't really come to life without quality illustrations. Usually this can represent a considerable investment with talented artists, but what I'm about to reveal to you is simply mind-blowing. All the images you see on the screen were created using an AI art generator, and it's 100% free. Incredible, isn't it? You've certainly heard of AI art and its ability to produce original images based on simple instructions. That's exactly what I did to illustrate the first chapter of our story. Let me guide you through the process. There are several AI art generators available, but after testing several of them, I can tell you that Midjourney offers an exceptional experience. Once on their Discord server, you'll have access to a multitude of images generated in real time by millions of users. To create your own image, simply start with a simple instruction. Type mom, followed by imagine, then describe what you want to see. To maintain consistency with our story, I suggest using elements from your previously generated chapters. For example, in my case, I started with Tommy and Timmy discover the map leading to the lost treasure. Once the image is generated, you'll have the choice between several versions and sizes. About 30 minutes later, I had all my illustrations ready to be integrated into our story. Of course, I won't detail the process for each chapter here, but you've grasped the general idea. Take each section of your story and generate images based on the content. Now that we have obtained the illustrations, let me introduce you to how to merge the text created by ChatGPT with the images produced by Midjourney to create a professional storybook. First, go to canva.com and search for storybook, then select create a blank storybook. Next, import the images generated by the AI to Canva and drag them into the template. Then, go to ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story, and paste it onto your image. You can now customize the text according to your preferences by changing the color, font style, adding shadows, and much more. I particularly appreciate Canva for its user-friendliness for beginners and its free accessibility. Once done, duplicate the template to save time when adding new images and text while maintaining the same style. Next, repeat this process for for each chapter of your book, then save it in PDF format and print it. Congratulations, you have successfully created your first storybook. There's only one step left to start generating passive income. Publish your book on Amazon. To do this, you first need to create an account on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP. It's the platform for editing and publishing books on Amazon. Go to kdp.amazon.com and follow the instructions to create your account. Once your account is created, you'll be able to access the KDP dashboard where you can manage all aspects of publishing your book. Also, make sure your book complies with Amazon's content and formatting guidelines. You can find all this detailed information in the KDP help section. Follow the steps to add the details of your book, including the title, description, keywords, and category. Make sure to choose relevant keywords that will help readers find your book when they search on Amazon. Then, upload your book file and check the preview to ensure everything is correctly formatted. You can also use the Kindle preview tool to see what your book will look like on different Kindle devices. Once you're satisfied with the preview, set the price for your book. Amazon allows you to choose from several price options, including the minimum and maximum price you can set for your book. Make sure to choose a price that reflects the value of your book. Finally, click on Publish, and your book will be submitted for review by the KDP team. It may take up to 72 hours for your book to be approved and available for sale on Amazon. Once approved, your book will be listed on the Amazon Kindle store and will be available to millions of readers worldwide. In summary, here are the steps to follow. 1. Generate the story idea with ChatGPT. 2. Develop the story outline and chapters. 3. Create the illustrations with the Midjourney AI art generator. 4. Integrate the text into the images with Canva and save it in PDF format. 5. Publish your book on Amazon following the guide provided in the video description. That's all for today. Don't hesitate to tell us in the comments which tool impressed you the most and why. Share your experiences. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Subscribe to not miss any of our future videos, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Also, share it with your friends and community. Together, we can reach new heights and create a future where success is accessible to all. Thank you for your support, and see you soon on our channel. I should fuck her in the Benz.